What's up, y'all? So welcome to my channel, and as usual we probably about to get into some DIYs. We probably about to get into some beauty, maybe some makeup, or maybe even I might be talking about my boutique. I don't know. You're gonna have to stay tuned and subscribe so you can stay tuned and figure out what's going on. Before we jump into this thing, I just want to show y'all the lamp. If you want to learn how to make this lamp, I put this on there myself. I don't have the thing at the top, but it's cool. Spray painted this, and most of all, once you get to the bottom, you get a little glam. So just stay tuned so y'all can learn how to make this lamp a DIY. Balling on the budget. Okay, so here are the things that you will definitely need. You are gonna need some Windex if you have a shiny surface, and I have a big lampshade, and I took my lampshade to Michael's and had them measure it out on the lampshade, so that's how I knew the exact measurements. For the fabric, I got hot glue because I'm just doing this really quick, but use E6000 or Gorilla Glue. I got some tape to cover up the plugs and stuff for when I spray paint. I got this sparkly scrapbook paper from Michael's for 75 cents. And then here is the spray paint that I'm going to be using, and you're going to need 2 coats of this and 15 minutes to dry in between. So yeah. Okay, so I end up not filming me spray painting this because I did it at night, and I was like, you know what, that's just doing too much. I'm just gonna tell them how to do it. So of course you put your first coat on there. You know, you wrap up your tape around all of your outlets and stuff like that so don't nothing get spray painted. And then I just did 2 coats to make sure that the silver went through, because like I said, I got this from, well, I didn't tell y'all, I got this from an old job that I used to work at a hotel, and they were just giving out free lamps. So then I always said I was gonna do something with it, so I finally did. And it took me a little bit of time, as you see me in the video kind of struggling to get the corners correct. I should have measured make sure that y'all measure, because I didn't measure and I was fiddling around with it. It was just getting on my nerves. But if you measure, you won't have that problem. But I was just like, I'm going to just lay it on there and just cut it into whatever. But once it's all said and done, you really can't see no parts that I messed up on, where some of the glue may have been seeping out. But it's just all about, I wanted to try and do something, but I wanted a lamp because I'm about to get a new bedspread for my bed, because my other one I've had for too long, and I know this lamp was going to match it. So it's just something to do on a budget in the midst of getting my other things, because I know my headboard, I just saved money on me buying the headboard because I made this lamp. So I mean, because the lamp was free, and then the fabric and the paper was $9, and then of course the spray paint and stuff. So I probably spent just, I say $15, not even $15 on this. So, and the lamp that I really wanted was something similar, but I just kind of came up with my own design with it. And as far as the paper that I'm using, they have plenty other colors at Michael's. They got gold, they got silver, they got red, they got green, they got like rose gold, they got pink, yellows. I mean, you can just really do anything that you want to do. I mean, all honesty, I could have took that, bought some more paper, and just glued that all the way up and just had it sparkly like that, but I wanted to spray paint. But I do got some other lamps that I'm going to try to do some other things with. If y'all end up trying to do this, please let me know, in the comments, or just tell me some better ideas of what y'all did or something that I could do better, because like I said, I do have other lamps, so maybe I can get some more ideas from you guys. So later on in the video, you're going to see me take the rest of the sparkling paper that I have. I only used 2.5 sheets of paper. No, it was 3.5 that I used. Yeah, I used 3.5 sheets of paper to make this, and that was including me wrapping the last piece around, because I noticed that I could have used the whole thing, because as I started going, it looked prettier and prettier to me. So yeah, that's just a little bit of what I did. But so this is the finished lamp, and that's what the bottom of it looks like. All I have to say is just try. It was hard. I ain't even gonna lie, like this shit was hard. Like it was hard, but I wanted to do something that was just different. Just to do like I don't know, I wanted to create something, and I wanted a new lamp for my room. Because like I said earlier, I'm just upgrading my house, and there's some things around my house that I just wanted to do, but I love the way that looks. I mean, from afar, you can't see where I done messed up and glue peeping through. But like I said, just try. It's all about you trying and just trying to make something of your own. I appreciate the lamp just because I know the hard work. I was coughing when I was putting on the spray paint last night, and I'm just saying, like, it was just too much. But yes, so please like and subscribe to this channel. Most of all, if y'all are gonna make any lamps, please DM me, Snapchat me, Instagram, Facebook, do all that. Just, I want to see what did y'all come up with, because I have another lamp that I was thinking about doing, so maybe I could do another one. And will y'all let me know what y'all want me to do? But like I said, just please send me photos, because I know there was probably an easier way. I could have cut the paper at the bottom. I mean, even when you zoom in on it, it still ain't that bad. But it's cool. I just tried to give a look. You know how it be. So like I said, just like and subscribe to this channel, and there should be definitely more DIYs coming. See you later.